welcome back to my channel. This week I'm gonna keep things really short because I am a little tired.
But I'm a little tired.
Because I spent the past month rushing to finish my Outlander-inspired outfit for my birthday camping trip. And if you missed that, I'll link it up above. But this week, we're gonna have a nice little relaxed trip to the antique fair here in Sacramento. And I got a few things, including an earring, which I turned into this beautiful pendant. I'll show you how I did that at the end of the video if you'd like to see. To have a cozy little relaxed video this week, I am just going to show you all of the beautiful things that I saw and did not buy. How I wish I could buy them all. So there is a little bit of a story behind this antique fair. When I first found out about it, I was in a relationship, you know, the one from the Curdle video, and I'd always intended to, you know, go to this antique fair. And then we broke up, and then the antique fair was supposed to happen. And I was a hot mess, and I wanted to go, and I didn't go, and I said, I'll go next month, it's fine. And then the pandemic hit, and there was no next month because it got canceled for months and months and months. And it was supposed to come back last month or the month before, and they were all ready, and then it got shut down again because COVID was too intense. And so when it finally came back this month, I thought, ooh, I'm really tired, I don't know if I want to go. And then I remembered, maybe there's no next time. You just gotta do it, or regret not doing it for the rest of your life. So I did it. There's the intense backstory. Now I have pretty things. And I know I promised you a rough video, and it's coming. I'm having a rough time. I should have it out probably next week. Well, without further ado, let's get into the beauty of the antique fair. So cool. Wow. It's actual fur too, wow. I love the gauntlets. And the knee stuff. Spooky Moira clothes. We love to see it. This is my big antique fair haul. These two were $1, and this is also $1. So in total, I spent $2. This is meant to be a bracelet. If I tie string on the ends, that could be a nice necklace or a nice decoration for dresses. For this earring, which looks like it's got a sort of jade or terrazzo-like piece in the middle, I'm going to remove the hook on the ear and add 2 jump rings to make it a pendant, a reversible pendant for a necklace, because the back is this neat kind of armor-like look, and the front has more of a southwestern flair with the teal. And then lastly, mother pearl inlay earring, which I'm also going to be removing the hook and turning it into a pendant. And I recently cracked my phone screen and got a windshield repair kit to fix it. So I used some of the extra resin to give this a little bit more shine. So it looked a bit more dull before, but now it's got a nice little bit of resiny shine back. This may be my fastest project to date. All I'm going to need is the earring, jump ring, pliers, and a chain that I use on a different necklace. So I just bent the earring hook open enough to take it off. Now I'm going to open the jump ring, just enough to put it on. And jump rings are super inexpensive. I just happen to have a bunch from some jewelry making kits and just supplies that I have in my stash, but you can easily get it from any craft store, or if you're feeling really frisky, you can always cannibalize it from existing jewelry that you have. Now we have a beautiful pendant necklace. Let's repeat that on earring 2. Yep, just need 1 jump ring. I'm a liar. This is the stupidest, it's like stupid easy, this project. Which we love. Because not everything beautiful has to be difficult. Look at that. Now, with $1 in 2 minutes, I now have 2 beautiful pendant necklaces. And I'm just gonna swap out the chain, because that's what I do with all of my pendants. Because I also have these guys that I got on Etsy. And I just use the same one for all of them. Super handy. Minimalism. I hope you enjoyed all of those beautiful, dreamy, antique things as much as I did. There's something so special about things that have a history to them and are one of a kind, or, you know, are now more likely to be one of a kind because all of the identical things made like them have been destroyed over the years. There's something so special about the history behind all these objects. Like, even if they were mass-produced through time and through the story that they have, they're now kind of one of a kind. And I think that's the beautiful thing about pre-owned items, whether it's antique or thrift shop or whatever. It's just, there's a history to it. And that's what I love, is wondering, what's the history behind this object? There's something so much more satisfying about that than just getting something that, you know, has been mass-produced. I just reached 100 subscribers, which is teeny tiny, but I'm very excited because I love small things. So thank you everyone who subscribed. If you enjoy DIY, historical sewing, cats, bed sheets, making crafty things for cheap, that's me, that's what I do. Subscribe and come along for the ride if you're interested in those things. I'd love to have you. Thank you so much for tagging along on all of my shenanigans. I really appreciate it. Come back next week. Bye-bye.